Hello there, my name is Cisne, a random guy from the internet. So today we have the new menu, which is the Sobrada, and let's give it a shot. Let's just open this thing up, get in this. Holy moly. Let's see, I have the plate over here. And let's get the meat and potatoes. Bien de queso, which means plenty of cheese. Holy shit, it actually comes wrapped. Holy hell. It is a weightful. It's finger licking good. Alright, so far, it seems like they have done a good job. And let's just see the burger and oh my goodness. Oh, they didn't lie. Plenty of cheese, there's the mayonnaise, and there's the bacon. Holy shit. Alright, so far we're in a solid start. Alright. Now, what do we have here? The 7-Up free. There you go. Really good. We have mayonnaise and ketchup, just one of them, which is still disappointing because our restaurants just hand you more. And there's the fries. And as a supplement, I got even more fries on this little box over here, which I still to this day don't figure out how to open it, which are the Kentucky cheddar bacon. Oh my goodness. This looks yummy. Anyway, before we do anything, let's just give it a shot of the Sobrasada and see if it's actually worth. Let's just go for a generous bite. Really good. 10 out of 10. I strongly recommend it. So that was the review slash unbox of the Sobra menu. And well, this is really epic. So stay tuned. There will be more content. See ya.